What up? This is your boy Snake Nation. Nation of the gods. Yo, I represent the gods, as you know. Yeah. The grand bafowethu. We're here today. Sekunjalo sizodlulisa ulwazi kuleli page. Yakhula nje kancane bafika sasijahe indawo. Because it's not about imali, it's not about now, but it's about ukuthi information esikhipha kuleli page ifike kubantu ngendlela right. Before anything, don't forget to subscribe to our page, to hit that like button, to comment if you have any comments, and also to share this page to your friends, because information esikhipha la bafethu ijulile kakhulu. Ijulile kakhulu ijule kakhulu bafethu ningayithathi kancane. I-impacta impilo yabantu is changing people's mind, it's blowing people's mind, and ike banda bafethu namhlanje. It's really cold. It's raining, it's cold. Angazi lapho kunjani, but la e-Richards Bay it's really cold. Ngibona nje nejezi engigqokile silamba. Okay, asivele sihlala udabeni singamoshi isikhathi. Our topic today it's energy bafethu. It's energy. We're talking about energy, amandla. Abantu ngiyazi uma ucabanga amandla bacabanga izinto ezihlukene, but energy is everything that you can imagine. Energy, it's it's a lot. Kuningi nje singacabanga energy bafethu. You know what I mean? Energy mass, you can say energy mass, isisindo, amandla lawo isisindo. Into uma uyibekile iba nesisindo mase iphenduka amandla, but isisindo esidale leyo nto leyo singamandla. Amandla asuke lapho sokuqoqana amandla, in a small scale, quantum physics, quantum mechanics. So amandla ilento yakudala ngawo. Wena ungamandla, wena uyi-energy, when possess amandla which flows within you. Amandla akayishintsha bafethu, ayishintsha ngendlela ayiguqula wona ngendlela ehlakaniphile, ngendlela eningi. Sikwenzela i-example, isihlahla sinamandla. Uma ngisithatha isihlahla, let's say isihlahla samagwava, isihlahla se-avocado, isihlahla samanga. I'm just making an example ngalezo zihlahla nje. Ngikho umango, ngikho avocado ngidle. Kunama-chemical angithi umango unama-vitamin, proteins, whatever that you wanna call it ey'hlahleni, vitamin C, ama-protein, ama-orange, mangidla kunama-chemicals. Ama-chemicals enzani? Ngena kimi ngaphakathi. Mina ngaphakathi ngiyadla, ngiyadigesta lokho kudla lokho. Mangingena kimi kwenza ama-chemicals ngaphakathi. Ama-chemicals aya kuma-cells. Kuma-cells, ama-cells start to function, thola i-energy, amandla. Amanye kuma-blood streams, kuma-veins, imsipha, ukuthi ukwazi ukuqala inyakaza, ama-chemicals within me. So kunamandla kwigolide, ama-chemicals onke lawa amandla kwi-gold, ama-minerals, ku-uranium. You know what I mean? Kunamandla umoya. Uma kunomoya uphusha ngamandla, ngisho njalo. So energy is real. Energy is life. We were created by energy. Umoya ongcwele, energy. We are energy. In fact, our creation is part of energy. So embrace the fact that when you are energy, you're not just a body nje, when you're just a moving energy, because ngendlela osuke uhamba ngayo uyahamba, udinga amandla futhi ukuthi uhambe. Yabo unyakazisa inyawo, udinga amandla ukuthi uvuke uphile, udle, cabanga. So everything that you do energy amandla, imishini, iy'moto zidinga energy, petrols, energy, you know, so amandla is everywhere. So I want to talk us about energy today, which is energy is real. So energy singasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu, or whatsoever you want to call it. It's life, life is God, it's energy. Also energy is real, and be willing to know izinto ey'fana nalezo. You must be willing to know izinto ey'fana nalezo, you know what I mean, which is crazy. People are not aware ngezinto ey'fana nalezo, ukuthi umuntu ukhandwe ngamandla. Wena uyisidalo samandla, wena not just your physical body, when you are a moving body, but a spirit futhi sinama-chemicals. So meaning wena ufana nento engekho, yebo, wena ukhona physically but futhi you're not physically, because umzimba wakho ukhandwe quantum field, quantum field, which is higher vibrator, umoya, you know, a vacuum, umoya, an empty space nje. Let's say umoya, wena mawubona umoya you can feel it, but awukwazi ukubona, chaza ukuthi umoya into ekhona. So until umoya ungawufaka phawu, mhlawumbe mawudlula umoya, masuvalela isigubhu, usithatha leso sigubhu uhambe naso emalab, umeje lowo moya, uzobona ukuthi what type of umoya olapho phakathi ngama small scale kuma-quantum physics, mechanicals, information. But you think ama-microscope, machine, bigger machines, kuma-lab science to know that ukuthi umoya ukhona unamandla. Kulezo zinto lezo zihlezi zinyakaza. Ayikho itafula nje, wena mawubona itafula ubona into eqinile, mawuthi uyalithinta itafula ubona wena ngathi liqinile itafula, njengalolu dongo nje mangokuthinta ngithi ubona wena luqinile kahle kahle, in a small scale kuma-quantum physics. Lolu dongo lolu liqinile. This is an empty space, yabo. You can go through la odongeni uhambe ubhekile. It's crazy because ngeke uzungikholwa vele, akukholwakala. But must understand the quantum physics, because lolu donga lukhandwe ngama-chemicals. Bekunenhlabathi la yahlanganiswa nosimende, kwahlanganiswa ama-blocks ayinhlabathi, angithi yebo. So yonke leyo nto leyo, inhlabathi yakhandwa yini? Yakhandwa i-energy. I-energy, information ye-energy kwakuyini? Kwakungamandla afoma ama-stars, ama-chemical, which is i-hydrogen, i-helium, yayikuma-stars. Ama-stars enzani? Ama-stars aphile isikhathi eside for billion of years until ama-stars overheat, i-energy yawo yaze yaqhuma. Mayeqhuma ama-stars abizwa ngani? Supernova ku-astronomy. I-supernova maye-spread kumhlaba wonke, kwahlala kwaba nothuli, kwaba nama-chemical afana no-carbon, iron, yabo, oxygen, different carbon, yabo, or calcium. You understand? Ukuhamba kwesikhathi kwaba ne-sort of i-gravity, i-energy yaqoqa onke lawo ma-stars, yaqoqa njalo onke lawo ma-chemical lawa, uthuli awahlanganiswa ndawonye, kwafomeka umhlabathi, kwafomeka i-energy, ihlahla, kwafomeka amanzi, kwafomeka abantu baba ne-awareness. Njengoba namhlanje usukwazi wena ukubuza ukuthi wena uyini, ubani, uqhamukaphi, wena kahle kahle wafoma ama-chemical, i-energy, into engekho. Angise understand manje history yakho, ungavumi bekutshela nje wena uyimfene. Wena uhlala ehlathini, wena uyimfene, uyi-formation yemfene. No, wena you bigger than that, wena uqhamuka kude kabi. So wena-ke ufana nodonga lolu. Lowo ma-chemical abizwa ngani kum-quantum mechanics? Abizwa ngama-quarks. Ama-quarks small particles, iy'nhlayi ey'ncane, yabo, uhlamvu lenhlabathi, into engingakwenzela example kanjalo. But nalo lolu hlamvu lolo ku-mechanical physics, quantum physics, alusuluhlwayi kahle kahle, luyi-vibration, i-wave, kuma-wavelength, ama-string theory. Mawulibuka, mawusulubuka wena ulibona njengohlwayi, because wena usuke ulu-observe kodwa uma ungalibhekile luhambise njengegagasi njenge-wave. That's why kwi-chemical kwi-physical quantum physics kunama-wave theory which is anama-probabilities la kuqhamuka khona ama-quarks, then from ama-quarks kune-nucleus ehlanganisa i-neutron ne-proton, you understand. Then from proton mase kuba khona i-electron, then from leyo formation ye-nucleus ehlanganisa i-proton ne-neutron ne-electron mase kuphuma i-atom, then thina siyi-formation yama-atom. Ama-atom yiwo kafoma lama-chemical afoma ama-stars, then afoma aqhuma, afoma umhlaba nabantu namanzi nayo yonke into going forward. So izinye izinto lezo kufanele uzazi ukuthi wena ubani, uqhamuka kuphi, uyi-energy, yabo. You must do your inner work, like ung-meditator uzo-understanda yonke into, because when you become one with nature nalowo moya, wena umoya othulile but when you are without your thoughts, you understand, without umzimba, without ama-emotions akho, wena kahle kahle uyi-empty space. Awusiyo wena lo mzimba, lo moya, wena lo mcabango, wena le mizwa, when uyi-empty space, wena you just pure consciousness, you know, understand. Wena okay, it's when uhamba in between your good and bad, between your positive and negative, njengani i-proton ne-electron. So i-electron yakho it's moving around you, kuba electromagnetic yakho, when you become like is similar as your inner parts becomes like proton and neutron, and then electromagnetic yakho it comes around you, ibe shield yakho. So lezo zinto kumele nizazi bafethu. You must do your inner work, just putting the work, just giving you wisdom. Sasekhona part 2 waleyo, but I will keep on like informing you. Then i-quantum field sengichazile ukuthi umoya okanjani ovibratayo, which is umoya okhona futhi ongekho, oyi-vacuum. Kwa-physics, quantum physics ubiza nge-vacuum. And enye into, there is a difference between i-classic physics ne-quantum physics, yeah, but that's a story for another day. So when you ufana nento evibratayo, njengoba ukhipha umoya wakhe, yabo mawuthi njengoba wena ufana negagasi, into eshona phansi vele wena kufanele uphefumule, because wena uyigagasi vele, uyi-vibration, wena uyilowo moya uphila kuwe ngaphakathi, in and out. So uhlangana nani ne-outer world ne-inner world. So wena wayihlanganisa, wena wazenza, wena wayisidala njengoba wena isidala wena. So that's why ukwazi ukudala impilo yakho wena, the same thing as uNkulunkulu, you know. So everything it's possibilities are emhlabeni, njengama-states of ama-vibration, ama-atom, ama-electron. So i-electron ayihlali ndawonye, izungeza i-electron izungezile nto le, i-atom ayihlali ndawonye until wena uyi-measure. Uzokufundisa ngolunye usuku nge-double slips theory, quantum physics, ukuthi si-measure kanjani. So what I mean is anything is possible, kungenzeka noma yini noma ngasiphi isikhathi. That's why wena imicabango igcinile kuwe, wena ale kahle, wena uwe oproject impilo, le ndlela obuka ngayo impilo kanjalo, le ndlela oyiyo ngaphakathi impilo kanjalo. Wena ufana nesibuko, wena lokho uyikho, ikhona lokho okubuka ngaphandle, akusikho lokho ngaphandle wena okubonayo. So yeah, into kanjalo nje first. That's what I'm trying to emphasize kakhulu, ukuthi wena you are a projection of yourself. When are you not just searching life out there, when are you alive, when are you creating life, ngendlela ocabanga ngayo, ngendlela ofila ngayo, indlela ovibrate ngayo, i-frequency yakho imechayo emhlabeni. So leyo it's part of i-consciousness yakho, imicabango igcinayo, ama-feelings owagcinayo, yabo, your dreams, you know what I mean. So that becomes i-outcome yakho. So ezinye izinto ezenzakalayo zenzakala just because of i-generational trauma ayishiyelwa abazali, which wena ozalwa nayo, when you need to overcome that generational trauma. That's why ukhula emndenini kanje une chaos, because wena we-vibration, we-frequency. So when you came here to experience, to feel as umuntu-ke manje, but when before umuntu wena we-energy, we-frequency, you understand, umoya. Wena uyinto engekho kodwa futhi uyinto ekhona. It's crazy dog, it's crazy. Information imnandi bafethu, information imnandi, base uyi-understanda futhi khona imnandi kakhulu information. So yeah bafethu, kufanele u-understand ukuthi wena ulwazi futhi wena ukwazi, yabo, because yonke lento efuna ngaphandle kuwe ngaphakathi. Wena you must become, when you came here to become, when you are everything that you need, when you don't need any savior, when you don't need ukuya esontweni uyothandaza uyocela, ucela kubani mawucela, yebo, because wena uyisidalwa esayidala sona for ukuthi si experiment kahle kahle. Uthi ngicacisele njengamanzi, ulwandle, yabo, ulwandle olugcwele, ulwandle lunamakakasi amaningi. So thina sikanjalo, ulwandle luthatha amanzi amancane lwahlukanisa, but lizosazoba khona ulwandle, kodwa lamanzi amancane abazilwane lawe lwahlukanisile, abazihlahla, abangabantu, you understand, abazintaba, abayizinto eziningi. Zonke lezo zinto ziyaphila, zine-energy, zinempilo. Njengoba umoya entabeni uthi uyothandaza uyocela, usuke uyocela kuba kumandla entaba, kuyimpilo yentaba. Umoya ehlathini uyothandaza, usuke uyocela kuphi? Ey'hlahleni, emoyeni, empilweni, emandleni. Moya emanzini uyokuhlambulula uyothandaza, usuke uyocela emanzini, emoyeni. Zonke lezi zinto zizidalwa, yizo lezi zinto ekuthiwa zidalwa, iy'nyoni, iy'lwane, you understand. So thina we came here to experience, to feel i-universe i-experimenta yona. Wena we-part of i-universe, wena unakho konke lokho kukhona kwi-universe. Shout out to everybody who's been with us.